Hello my friends, my name is Marcos Sarris. I am CEO of GoLedger, a company that specializes on blockchain development. Today we are going to show you a functionality of GoChain that's being used to create private Ethereum network using Besu client. In this video, I'd like to give you a quick overview of what GoBesu offers. We walk you through the platform step by step, and by the end of the video, you'll see how GoBesu can create two complete Ethereum blockchain networks with just a few clicks. As you can see, I'm already logged in into my account, and this is a demo environment, and at the moment I have 4 organizations configured. If you watched the previous videos on private Ethereum concepts, you're already familiar with the idea of an Ethereum externally owned account, or EOA. GoBesu builds this concept of organization. I'm going to click on one organization. As you can see, you have several components that you can access. And one of them is the account, that basically the standard account that you will have wrapped in this organization concept. If you want, you can create a new account, for an example, by just clicking the new account button. And then you can use and check all the nodes that this organization have, and also you can check all the APIs that this organization have. For example, I'm going to access one of the nodes. This is one of the nodes of this organization called Bank Corp, and then you can see all the variables that are inside the container of the node, and you can check also the logs and see all that's happening inside this node. And this is the same you can do by accessing the API, and you can check all the details of this API that's happening inside this container. As I can see here, the Bank Corp organization is part of 2 business groups. One is the real estate group, and the other is the tokenized bonds group. Basically, a business group is when a set of organizations agrees on being part of one or more blockchains. So basically here, each business group can have one or more blockchains that basically have one or more organizations. And as I can see here, we have this business group, the real estate group, and here we can see some of the pending proposals. Basically, a proposal is when one of the organizations proposes to change some components and some of the states of the blockchain. As I can see here, I can check also on the proposal screen and see all the proposals that have been done and have been completed and have been started and so on. And I can check every proposal by just accessing the screen. As I told you, the business group can have one or more blockchains. So basically for a Besu network, we will call it networks. So here at this business group, we will have this only a network that's called real estate. And basically it involves Bancorp, the other organization called Registry Authority, and the third organization called Real Estate Exchange. And if I want to create a new blockchain, I can just click here at new network, and I can either create a new blockchain or I can import an existing blockchain that was not built with GoBesu. So basically it has both options. It's really easy. I can really use and select a new node and create a new blockchain from scratch. It's very important to inform that when I try to create a new network, it's not created immediately, because as I'm being part of a business group, it needs approval from the other organizations. So basically here, when I create it, we'll send a proposal, and all the other organizations will have to accept this proposal. For an example, here I have created a new network called Real Estate, and it's being now, of course, it's already been created and approved. So basically, that's how GoBesu works, by sending these proposals whenever I want to change my blockchain administration state. This is not the only component that needs to be accepted by our organization inside a business group. For an example, the smart contract, if you want to deploy a new smart contract, you will have to be accepted. This proposal will have to be accepted by all the other organizations inside your business group. So basically, as I can see here, inside the real estate network, I already have two smart contracts. One is the real estate token and the other is the scroll service. And as you might be aware, a smart contract is the way a blockchain have to create or update data inside the ledger. And at this screen, you can also access some other information of the smart contract. For example, the address or the hash of the transaction that's it's available here. But if you want to interact with the smart contract by calling some of its methods and so on, you will need an API. And GoBesu basically offer an easy way for you to create APIs. Each organization can have one or more APIs that being embedded to its externally owned account. So basically, when you create a new, for example, if I create a new API here, I will select some of the business group that I am at, and basically I also select the network and the smart contract that I want to interact with. So basically, when I finish it, you automatically create some APIs for me to use, and each API is going to be embedded to the organization I am using. Now, if I want to develop and code new smart contracts, I can basically do proceed with this task easily by accessing the smart contract builder that I have available here at the GoBesu module of the GoChain platform. So here I can see either the chain code builder that's for Hyperledger Fabric chain codes, but now I'm going to check the smart contract builder that basically is going to be used to create and manage all the source code that I might have to deploy new smart contracts on Ethereum private network. And here at the smart contract builder, I can see somehow a marketplace that's being with all the smart contracts that are being developed and used. But in order for me to upload a new smart contract that's been created by myself, I can just click here and use the upload contract module that I have here. But GoBesu also brings a no-code smart contract builder that I can build either some tokens, for example, ERC20s, NFTs with ERC721s and ERC1155 that's being available for me to create new smart contracts by just a few clicks. In this video tutorial, we've been through several components of GoBesu, like organizations, each organizations with one or more business group, and each business group with one or more blockchain networks, and one or more smart contracts and so on. And I've shown you how easy it can be to create new private Ethereum networks using the GoBesu model. And that's it for today. As you can see, GoChain is the perfect tool for you to create either Hyperledger Fabric or Ethereum networks in an easy and very neat way. I hope you like it, and for those who like it, please consider subscribing.